In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your leverage, stop out level, and margin requirements in Ctrader. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find these risk controls and how to read them so you can size trades with confidence. First, open Ctrader. Give the platform a moment to load your workspace and account. If you have multiple accounts, just note which one you're on. The path we're using is the same, but the values you see may differ between accounts. Next, head to Settings. Look for the small gear icon in the bottom left corner of the platform and click it, then choose Properties. This opens a panel that summarizes key account parameters set by your broker. In the Properties panel, locate Leverage and Stop Out Level. Leverage is the ratio that determines how much buying power your balance controls. For example, a leverage of 1/100 means that for every 1 unit of currency in your account, you can control 100 units in the market. Higher leverage lowers the margin you need to open a position, but it also magnifies both gains and losses, so treat it with care. Stop out level is the threshold at which the platform starts force closing positions to protect your remaining equity when your margin level falls too low. It's expressed as a percentage and is enforced by your broker. You don't change these figures from here. You're simply confirming what applies to your account so you can plan your trade sizes responsibly. Now, click New Order to see the margin required for a trade. This opens the order ticket. In the ticket, you'll see fields for symbol and volume, along with a line that shows margin or margin required. As you select an instrument and adjust the volume, the platform calculates the estimated margin in real time based on your current leverage and the contract specifications of that symbol. This is incredibly helpful for planning position size before you commit. Keep in mind that margin can vary across symbols due to contract size, pricing, and, in some cases, different margin requirements set by the broker for specific instruments. A quick tip: watch your free margin and margin level in your account summary while you plan orders. Free margin is what you have available to open new trades, and margin level helps you gauge how close you are to the stop-out threshold. Using the margin figure in the order ticket alongside your leverage and stop-out level gives you a complete picture of your room to maneuver. That's it. Open Ctrader, confirm your leverage and stop out in Properties, then use New Order to check the margin required before you place a trade.